Hi teacher, my name is Edison Ruiz. I am 33 years old. I am I live in Bogota in the Timisa neighborhood. I live with my girlfriend. In my free time, I like to watch TV, listen to music, and do university homeworks. In the last vacation, we went to Cartagena, and the next vacation we want to go in Argentina. That um, my girlfriend want to meet penguins. Okay. My reside is Colombian Sancocho. This reside have the cook time 2 hours approx. Okay, and the ingredients are medium-sized chicken, trimmed and skinless, 1 pound of beef cut into pieces, one pound of chopped pork ribs, 3 liters of water, 3 corn cut into several pieces, one green plantain cut in wheels, in a third of a pound of yuca cut into large pieces. Four medium potatoes peeled and sliced. Okay, one onion diced, one red bell pepper diced, ground cumin to taste, ground pepper to taste, salt to taste, several chopped coriander leaves. Okay, the preparation uh, step by step. First, chop the onion, garlic, and red bell pepper in a blender with a little water reserve. Second, in a large pot with 3 liters of water, add the three meat, chicken, eh, beef, and pork ribs, and then the onion, garlic, and red bell pepper smoothie that you chopped earlier. Add green the green plantain and the corn cups. Okay. Next, cook all this over medium heat uh, for 1 hour. Add salt, cumin, and pepper to taste. Okay. Afterwards, selected this time, um, taste the flavor of the broth. Correct if it's necessary to add more seasonings or until excuse me to add to add the potatoes, current harvest, and peel it and clean yuca. Okay, then let cook for another half hour or until all the vegetables are soft. After, add the chopped coriander and turn off the heat. After a few minutes of reach, you already have your delicious Colombian sancocho ready. Okay, thank you.